In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Hulu episodes for offline viewing, so you can watch your favorite shows without an internet connection. Let's get started. To download episodes, open the Hulu app on your smartphone or tablet. This feature isn't available on web browsers or smart TVs. Find the show or movie you want to download and look for the download icon, a downward arrow next to the episode or movie. Tap the icon to start downloading. Not all content is available for offline viewing due to licensing restrictions. Once downloaded, access your saved episodes by going to the Downloads section in the app. You can now watch them anytime, anywhere, even without Wi-Fi or mobile data. For the best experience, ensure your device has enough storage space and that your Hulu subscription includes the download feature, not available on live TV. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy watching Hulu offline.